Now, for everybody else out there wanting to generate money online and, make a living and millions of dollars online, I'm not going to sit here and tell you something that isn't relevant. You need credit. Now, why is credit good? As a young adult, I was broke growing up. I was very unfortunate. So, you know exactly what I did? I went to the bank. I went to the bank like everyone else. But instead of getting that $30,000 car loan, guess what I got? A $30,000 business loan. A fucking business loan that helped me. That car is not an asset. You know why? Because you're paying it every month. It's not paying you every month. So I went out and generated something that pays me every month. And some. And a lot. You know how fast I paid that $30,000 loan back? 1 week. I got the loan and paid it back the next week. I walked in the bank, gave them the full money back, no interest loan, and had $100,000 of generating money through my Shopify dropshipping brand. I gave the money back the next week. The bank looked at me so crazy. Sir, what have you done? When I walked in the bank after that, they looked at my account and called me Mr. Carr. When I was walking in getting $20 out for gas, $100, they didn't respect me. Go build a relationship with the bank, get a business loan so you can later use that bank, that same bank, to buy assets. And don't forget, I am giving away $10,000 cash. Cash. All you have to do is like this video, comment what you think is best for your future in this video. From this video, I want to see how you can grind, become someone, how you can change your life by getting that loan from the bank and make money and buy assets for yourself and your family. Tell me that in the comments. Like the video. Let's get it. Let's crush 2021. Thank you for watching.